Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tricky home appliance issues into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into Navien water heater error code E003, a common problem that can leave you without hot water in a flash. If you've got a Navien tankless water heater and this error code is flashing on your display, don't panic. We've got you covered. First off, let's understand what error code E003 means. This code typically indicates an ignition failure or loss of flame in your water heater. It could be due to issues like a disrupted gas supply, a faulty igniter, or even problems with the flame rod. Navien units are reliable, but like any appliance, they can run into snags over time. To troubleshoot this, start by ensuring your gas supply is turned on and that there are no leaks. Check your gas line connections and make sure the valve is fully open. Next, inspect the igniter for any signs of damage or dirt buildup. Clean it gently if needed. You might also want to reset your water heater by turning it off at the breaker for a few minutes and then turning it back on. Remember, safety first. If you smell gas or suspect a serious issue, call a licensed professional right away. If the error persists, it could be something more complex, like a malfunctioning flame sensor or a problem with the control board. In that case, consulting your Navien manual or reaching out to a technician is your best bet. Regular maintenance, such as annual inspections and cleaning, can help prevent this error from occurring in the future. We've covered the basics here, but every situation is unique, so don't hesitate to share your experiences in the comments below. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more handy tips, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and keep those heaters humming.